In this video, we will show you how to change background on Canva. To change background on Canva, we will practice with two ways in here, using background that we created and the second using templates. How to edit the background on these two cases. Okay, for example, we created a new blank. Okay, the blank project, we will teach you how to change the background with the image or with the color. Okay, after you creating blank page like this or blank project, to change your background color, you can just click this. Make sure to click on your canvas here and click here. You can easily change the background. Okay, this is the first. If we using the color, we can also using the image to create a background. But for the tip, you can also pick a color in here. If you want, you can using pick from another image. For example, you can using this. Okay, like this we will the same with this color you pick. This is if you want to change the color of the background. And the second, if you want to create image as background, just click position to make you don't confuse, and make sure you active on layers here. And after that, you can see this is the current page as background of your background here. Then when you click this and choose the image, for example, you choose this image. Okay, you can just double click in here. After that, this image will appear. If you want to set this as background, okay, click your background and click on the position. You can see this is your image is above of your background. For example, you need to make the image as background. Just click here and select replace background. Okay, you can see now your background is become one with your image. You can see in the layer. Okay, how to detach this background? You can also click this and you can click detach image from background. This is if any case you want to change your image background, and make sure this is not currently locked, because if the background is locked like this, it will cannot be edited. So this is the first case. If the second case, if we using the template that we found on the Canva templates, you can see we can change the background in the same way. For example, we have this. Okay, you can see maybe you are confused how to change the background. Okay, directly just click this position. Okay, so you can see there is so many layer. Okay, the background is below them. Okay, this is the background. Here currently the background using image, you can detach the background. Okay, you can see now the image is detected from the background. Okay, if you want to set as background also, you can also like this and replace as background. You can see it's back to the template. Okay, and that's all how to change the background on the Canva. You can also try to replace with another element, detach first. After the detach, set this as background. For example, you can also doing that. Oh, this is not image. For example, you can using this person as background, replace background. You can see, and that's all how you can change the background on the Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.